In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit WooCommerce billing fields. We'll be diving into a straightforward method using a handy plugin, giving you more control over your online store's checkout process. This approach is perfect for anyone looking to customize their customer experience and streamline their sales funnel. To get started, you'll first want to install a specific plugin that will make this process both intuitive and efficient. Head on over to the Plugins section of your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll find an option that says Add New. Click on it, and you'll be brought to a page that allows you to search for new plugins to enhance your site. In the search bar, you'll want to type in Checkout Field Editor and Manager for WooCommerce. This plugin is designed to give you rich editing capabilities for your checkout fields, so you can tailor them to better fit the needs of your store. Once you've located the plugin in the search results, you'll want to install it. Installation is as simple as clicking the Install Now button and then waiting a few moments for WordPress to download and set it up. After that, the button will change to read Activate. Make sure you click this to turn the plugin on. Your plugin is now active, and we're ready for the next steps. With the plugin installed and activated, navigate to the WooCommerce tab in your dashboard, and you'll see a new option there titled Checkout Field Editor. Click on this, and you're ready to begin editing. This is where the magic happens. Now, you will see a list of billing fields that appear during the checkout process of your store. You have the ability to edit these fields to better reflect what you need from your customers. Let's say you want to change the label of a field to something more intuitive, or perhaps you want to provide a helpful placeholder that guides customers on what information should be entered. You're also able to set specific fields as required, or you can opt to delete them altogether if you feel like they aren't adding value. As you click on each field, you'll see a panel open on your right that provides options for customization. Should you decide to make a change, simply adjust the settings to your preference. These small tweaks can make a big difference in guiding customers smoothly through the checkout process and improving their overall experience with your store. After making your desired changes, don't forget the final step, saving your work. You'll find a Save button within the plugin interface. Make sure to click it to ensure that your changes go live and are accurately reflected on your store's checkout page. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your WooCommerce billing fields without any hassle. Tailoring these fields can help create a more user-friendly checkout, potentially boosting your sales and customer satisfaction. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling.